Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use BMW X3 Park Assist Full Guide. Start by pressing the Park Assist button on the center console, then put the vehicle into drive or reverse when prompted and allow the sensors to scan for a suitable space. Choose parallel or perpendicular parking on the display, follow the on-screen steering prompts, control the brakes gently, and be prepared to stop if a hazard appears. Engage Park Assist and wait for the system to finish scanning. The display will show available spaces and recommended direction. When a space is found, accept the selection and slowly follow prompts to shift into reverse or drive as required while the car steers automatically. Maintain foot control over the brakes, watch all mirrors and the camera feed, and be ready to take over steering if the system requests or you spot a sudden obstacle. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful car tutorials. On another note, quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and are perfect for keeping snacks tidy after long drives or while waiting in the parking lot. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set if you want them. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Treat Park Assist as a helpful tool rather than full autonomy. Stay alert and keep hands near the wheel to intervene quickly. Avoid relying on it in poor weather, tight construction zones, or on uneven surfaces that can confuse sensors and produce incorrect steering paths. Regularly clean the sensors and camera lenses, update vehicle software when available, and practice in a quiet area to gain confidence with the system before using it in busy parking situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.